Greetings, auto enthusiasts. Toyota has been making headlines lately with its ongoing teaser campaign for the fourth generation of the Tacoma midsize pickup truck. However, as the company reports its Q1 2023 U.S. sales results, there are mixed results for the brand. Despite overall negative sales numbers, certain models such as the Corolla HEV, Corolla Cross, Highlander HEV, RAV4 Prime, and Tundra HEV reported the best-ever Q1 deliveries. Additionally, the full-size pickup truck saw an impressive 22.1% jump in sales, while the midsize Tacoma also saw a slight increase. As for the highly anticipated new Tacoma, Toyota has been keeping fans on their toes with a series of teasers that have left more questions than answers. The latest teaser, released during the 2023 New York Auto Show, revealed the rear of the 2024 model year, bearing the inscription iForce Max and TRD Pro on the tailgate. This has led to speculation about what kind of powertrain the new Tacoma will feature, with rumors of a hybridized V6 with 437 horsepower or less. Recently leaked teaser images also show the front and side of the new Tacoma, with an LED light bar for the fascia and potential confirmation of a coil spring rear suspension with trailing arms. With the media embargo for additional information set for 5:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we can only hope that more details about the highly anticipated new Tacoma will be revealed soon. Stay tuned for updates.